Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Review for You. You are watching Tech Review for You. This parcel has arrived within 10 to 15 days, and actually there is a very interesting story. Order was in transit, but it was confirmed that I have received it. So at the time, order was closed. Then I put a dispute on AliExpress. Then AliExpress said Sport team said that parcel is in transit and you have to wait 10 days. So today I have received this parcel and I am happy that this is SSD drive of 128 GB. And first of all, there is no such good packing for parcel. SSD drives are more reliable and durable, and it's so easy to ship SSD drive as compared to of traditional hard drives. Let me open it. After unboxing, I will show you the results of test in docking station also. So this is GoldenFir SSD drive of 128 GB. You can see original package, original flyer of GoldenFir. This paper type material, and inside a bubble wrap is here. It gives a good protection against pressure. So this is our SSD drive of 120 GB. Now friend, let me check by open it. Here is a better way to open it, not with a scissor, it's a paper cutter. This is GoldenFir original SSD drive of 120 GB of disk space, and this is SATA interface. It is made of China, and serial number, model number is available. There is a warranty seal, and if anyone will open it, then warranty will void. So now in next part we are going to test it with in a docking station. So let me show you its test results. We are going to check it on laptop. Okay, watching my laptop screen. Let me insert the data cable of docking station so drive can detect. So I have inserted cable, USB cable, and is detected. Now here we are going to check that it is visible, it is not visible. So let me show you how to initialize SSD or HDD disk. We have to go disk management, then here disk is initialized. So we have to make a partition first in order to utilize it. And we are going to check is disk is available. Yes, new volume G, this is available. So we are creating a new folder and deleting it. It's working. Now we are going to check disk health in software. Let me show you the disk health. Temperature is 40 C, and disk health is 100%, performance is 80%, health is 100%, lifetime write 64 MB, and approximately estimated remaining lifetime is 1000 days, approximately 3 years. Power on time is 0 days because it is a new disk. Lifetime writes are 64 MB. So this is our GoldenFir's disk. If you like the video, then kindly subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it with friends. If you have any suggestion or comments, please let us know, and that how can we improve our videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.